Morning vlog. Today is Saturday and we're gonna clean the balcony today because it's dirty out there.
Because it's about that.
Kat is still in bed, but she's gonna get up soon because we have to clean, because later it is Alexander, our friend's birthday. And so mga around 4 magkikita na kami. So we have to finish cleaning up and prepping to throw things away, or at least throw some things away. But by the time 3 o'clock na, we can get ready, and then at 3 something we leave to meet them. But yeah, come with us to clean our balcony because we need to clean our balcony. We're gonna throw some stuff away. We're gonna get rid of our table probably, and we're just gonna keep it clean this year and I don't know, the following years to come, because medyo nakaka-stress. And then yung lights dun sa labas hindi na nag-work, so we gotta take it off. Ay,
Baka nalamig, ano?
yeah, I don't know. Ano yun?
Okay.
Anyways, come with us. I'll show you the rest of the house right now because it's also very, very, very dirty. We're gonna clean that up also. Just gonna get rid of most of our things. We're also planning on buying a TV console para dun sa TV, para malinis na tignan, because right now our TV is on the stools. I don't know how we got here. we got this messy. But anyways, yesterday also we got this candle from Bath and Body. And ang amoy niya ang downy. I think that's the right smell. Kaamoy niya ang downy. So if you want your house to smell like downy all the time, like fresh laundry, set up sa nose nito. Tsaka we also have one. It's the white sage and
Tea.
white sage and Wait lang, kunin ko.
What is that?
White tea and sage. Ang bango din ito. It smells like Hyatt Hotel. Hyatt, we know your secret. So yeah, siguro we're gonna start to clean. We're gonna light one of this. So habang nagki-clean kami, it smells good in here. Di pa ako naghihilamos, but anyways. It's only 10:10 and our vlog is playing right now. Okay, yeah. Just update later. Had to change my sweater because Kat said I shouldn't wear white when cleaning. But anyways, I'm just gonna tidy up the living room before we start because Kat's not ready anyway.
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Okay, we took a short break, but now it's the balcony's turn to be cleaned.
So, let's go.
Let's go. Stress actually yung balcony, to be honest. So it's all good. It's all good. Let's put you right there. Let's start cleaning. All right. Let's go. Medyo gumana naman yung weather.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Hold on.
Yeah, it's a bit cold though. But when you start cleaning, you kind of forget that it's cold because you're moving, you know? But yeah, maganda yung weather. Let me show you. Clouds are still gray, but it's fine. It's all good. Erica is cleaning the table. Alright, so ayun na, medyo clear. Yung mga yan, papamigay namin at saka yung table binibenta namin. And then this one, we're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with that. But yeah, ideally ang maiiwan lang is that one and two of these, like these containers, but these containers will only contain things that we actually need and we need to store outside because we don't have space inside. But yeah, so that's good. I also cleaned the windows so it's nice and I know clear. Kat is washing a bunch of things that we had outside here that we're selling, so and then she's also washing my Crocs because they got really dirty from outside. Yung pool of water na yan, hopefully it dries when it's finally sunny, but we don't know what to do with it otherwise. It's just there because sometimes the upstairs it cleans and then na lalagyan na lang kami ng water dito because they're draining it and it comes to us. But sometimes also this is rainwater, so if it's rainwater it's pretty clean, but you know, wet attracts mga bugs and stuff. So yeah, anyways, yun, nagaano lang si Kat doon. And me, I will try to clean this area up. There's not much to clean. I just have to like put things in place where they belong. But yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, so lalabas tayo ngayon. We're gonna go to the recycling because we have to recycle this one. Then we're gonna drop this off at Valley Village, and then this one kasama na namin kasi nag-throw kami ng garbage and then now we're here. But Kat is already in the car. We're gonna start driving now. Okay. BRB guys.
BRB! Guys, medyo nagpakita po ang haring araw, pero bandang dun medyo makulimlim pa din siya.
Yeah, tingnan niyo yung
Medyo
skies dito and then look at the skies there. Here it's blue, over there it's gray.
Tapos dito blue. Tapos dito gray. What's up? So ayan.
Stop playing with us, the government.
Guys, na-drop na pala namin yung mga i-donate namin dun sa Value Village. And then now, andito na kami sa Canadian Tire. Nasa Canadian Tire kami sa dun sa Marine. Kasi kung pupunta ka pa. Kung pupunta pa kami sa market crossing, masyado na malayo from the Value Village. So, dito na lang kami. Mas
At saka may ano dun, may ano muna kaya tayo ng
bote. Sige, okay. Malapit
para
din.
pabalik dito tayo.
Yeah, malapit din kasi dito yung ano, yung Bottle Depot.
Na dati namin pinapuntahan.
Yeah, dito kami recycle o nagtatapon ng mga ano namin, mga everythingness.
Ayan o, dito. Look guys, we're here so fast. Wow, we're so great. Oh my god. Daming tao dito actually. BRB muna guys. Ito lang yung sa amin. Late lang compared to dun sa mga iba. Ang dadami. This is Cat's Heaven. Scrub daddies. And scrub mammies. Oh look, they have that one. How much is that one? Alright, well, we're in the car now. Our last stop for the day is to go spray the car. I mean, spray the... Oh, we can spray the car too. But anyways, look at this wonderful weather that the government has given us for today.
Thank you, government.
Alright, BRB.
Dito na tayo sa... Where are we?
I think this is Nelson.
Nelson Street. Marine and Nelson. Papunta to ng...
Car wash.
Yeah, papunta to ng car wash. Dito pala namin yun nakita yung coyote, guys. Dito bandang yun. Pa car wash din kami that time, I think. No?
At the next light, turn right.
So, ayan, malapit na tayo. Okay, we're already here. Royal Oak Car Wash. Medyo maraming tao ngayon So,
Yeah, we're not sure why kasi rainy pa rin naman ang weather. But I guess... Ay, meron pala dito.
okay, so let's go. Okay, we're done. Dito sa car wash, hindi na namin wipe si Adi kasi may feeling naman kami na uulan. So, wipe lang talaga. I mean, inano lang talaga namin siya.
Wash lang.
Winash lang namin siya. And then, yung bucket din namin for recycling. Sprayhan din namin para matanggal yung mga something doon. So, ayan, pabalik na tayo ng bahay, mga ladies and gentlemen. Magre-ready na tayo para sa dinner natin later because it's Alexander's birthday. So, see you guys! See you sa bahay!
Okay, nagpapagas lang kami. Mahal ng gas ngayon guys, 184. But, yeah, we have a discount at Shell, 3 cents per liter, so we're just doing that. And then we're gonna go home. Hi guys. We've made it home. I guess that's it. We're not really done cleaning. But we don't know if we're gonna finish today. So maybe next time na lang ulit. Kasi we gotta get ready now for the dinner. But thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for always watching.
Please like and subscribe and or just subscribe. That's it. Thank you so much. We'll see you on Wednesday.